Visit now, our website marink.com for more fantastic information.
Attitude, Little Ones, Laundry Detergent, Sweet Lullaby, 35.5 fluid ounces, 1.05 liters. Product Overview Description. Biospectra Nature Plus Technology M35 loads Hypoallergenic Ecologo Cruelty Free and Vegan. Laundry Detergent, Extra Gentle. Suggested use. See table for dosing instructions. For tough stains, pour a small quantity directly on stain and rub or allow soaking before washing. Always check labels for special instructions. 4, 5 kg soil level. Water hardness. Soft 15 ml 30 ml. Medium 30 ml 45 ml. Hard 45 ml 60 ml. 95 degrees Celsius. 60 degrees Celsius. 30 degrees Celsius. 15 degrees Celsius. Formulated for cold water. Other ingredients. 5% to 15% anionic surfactants, sodium coco-sulfate. Contains also, water, sodium citrate, sodium gluconate, glycerin, camellia sinensis, green tea, leaf extract, methylbenzyl acetate, sweet fruit, gamma-undecalactone, sweet fruit, ribes nigrum, black currant, seed oil. Warnings. Causes serious eye irritation. Keep out of reach of children. If in eyes, rinse cautiously with water for several minutes. Remove contact lenses, if present and easy to do. Continue rinsing. If eye irritation persists, get medical advice. Attention. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.